What's up, guys? We're down here in Huntington Beach, California, doing some moto surf, gonna be racing Pro Ski GP. I'm excited. We got a few really good guys in the class, and yeah, hopefully we end up doing good. Gonna have some fun.
It's just one of those days where you don't want to wake up. Everything is fucked, everybody sucks. You don't really know why, but you want to justify ripping someone's head off. No human contact, and if you